Hi, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thanks for joining me today. Today is a great day. Today is the day I want to announce what's on your bench. And today what we're going to do is turn the camera around. And what I want to do is I want to know what is on your bench. What are you working on? What are you building? Are you building a guitar like I am? Or are you building a picnic bench? Are you building outdoor furniture? Are you building indoor furniture? Are you building picture frames? Are you painting? What are you doing? By all means, let's get together and send me some pictures of what you're working on, what's on your bench, and maybe a short video of what's on your bench, and I can feature that on the channel if you'll do that. Now, if you're going to do that, email me at onyourbench@gmail.com, onyourbench@gmail.com. That will segregate that so I'll know exactly, and it won't get lost, what's on your bench. It'll come to me, and then we can do some videos based on what you're doing. I think that's really exciting stuff. So by all means, please let me know. Now, this is a personal appeal to Michael from Michael Builds. I want to know what's on your bench. So do all my viewers, and so do all your viewers. I know you've got some great plans in store for us and some things that you're working on that's going to be pretty exceptional. By the way, if you have not checked out Michael Builds, oh man, give your head a scratch. Why not? He is terrific. Absolutely worth subscribing to and following. That man is clever. He's smart, really smart. He's a lot of fun. He's got a great sense of humor, and I know that you'll enjoy his channel. So go to Michael Builds and subscribe, and you'll find out firsthand. Does your in-laws need some cement boots? He can probably show you how to make them. At any rate, he has everything that you could ever want in the form of entertainment on his channel. So check it out. It's very, very informative. Now, back to the top. This is where we were a week ago. If you recall, this, of course, is all remade in the last week. I want to show you the rosette. So we have been able to recut, sand this down, put in the rosette this past week, put all the bracing on here, shape the bracings down across here. I haven't hit them yet with the chisel, which is what I'm down here to do today, and I will be doing that in a few minutes, and then we'll get that out of the way. But in the meantime, while we were doing all of this, I also did this. This is the back of the guitar. This is the Brazilian. Take a look at this. Look at the orange flame running up the back. That's just gonna be spectacular under finish. But this worked out so well. These are perfectly straight. They're shaped. They're gonna fit into the guitar here with no trouble. I can put that in anytime I want. That is dead simple to do, and I may do that this afternoon. Now, unlike the other top that we had, where it came across here and we had all the glue put around the top, this corner here and this, these fit into slots that I've cut in the top of the guitar. And so they drop down in, and oh my goodness, they fit perfectly. I even did a dry fit to make sure that it would work all right. So what happens is it's skated. And by that, I mean it's slid. And so when you put the glue on here and it hits here, I put it down in the top and it fit perfectly in here, perfectly down here. And then when I hit it with the go bar, what happened was, in an exaggerated sense, it did this. It popped out of the the hole, yet I had double checked that and it was in there when I started, and I started by putting the brace here and the brace here to make sure it wouldn't move. But it did. When they bend, they tend to push. So I got to figure that out before I do the next one so that we don't have the same problem all over again. At any rate, I think I've got it right. I've had to fill some of the slots over here on the guitar. And I know that this top fits down here. I can recut this. It fits up here at the top. So there's going to be a little finagling. I may have to take the linings out of the guitar and put in new ones because I don't want to see any spacing in the linings, and I'm afraid that's what's going to happen on this, and I won't like that. So I'm going to work on that, and I'm going to work on this. I've got lots to do before we get into the next section and working on the neck, but we're going to get there. It's coming along. Now, don't forget, check out Michael Builds. Check out the links that are down below. I've used Starbond glue on this all the way along, so if you need some glue from Starbond, this is the time to order it, starbond.com, and you get 15% off when you use my name. So, hey, my name is finally worth something. Woohoo! There you go. Save 15% and order from Starbond. So thank you, friends. I appreciate you being here. Do subscribe. And don't forget, the buttons are down here. And I know they're at one side or the other. And then hit the like button if you like the video and pass it on to some of your friends. By all means, let's share this. And don't forget to turn the camera around. I want you to email me, okay, on your bench at gmail.com. Send me your pictures. Tell me what you're working on. Describe what you're working on so that we can give it back to all the people that are watching on the channel. And we'll have some fun doing that. Hey, it's better than tea with Monty, although Monty's got his tea. So I'm going to have mine. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, man. This would be a sad world if we didn't have tea. Thank goodness for tea. Oh, it's the best. Bye for now.